All right, this is the COMFIER Cordless Knee Massager 2-pack. The company sent me this product to check it out and make a video for it, so let's do it. Let me show you what you get with this. So inside the package, you're going to get the 2 knee massagers. You get 2 extender straps here if you want to extend the Velcro, if you need to get it around different places. You get a set of instructions, and you should always read the instructions before using something, right? You get 2 magnetic controllers. You get about a 3-foot long double charging cable, double Type-C, with a charging block. I love that they gave us a charging block with that because you don't get those all the time. And since you get a charging block and a charging cable, these are obviously rechargeable devices right there. We have a 2500 milliamp battery inside each of these removable, rechargeable magnetic control panels. This is pretty cool because you can obviously take the panels off, charge them up, and then reattach them. They kind of lock into place when you get them in there. Each of the sleeves have this graphene section on the front here, and behind each graphene section is 2 vibration motors right here and right here. The inside of this is very soft, and I find it to be comfortable. You know, this is a vibrating and heating massager. There's no kneading or anything like that. It's just vibration and heat. I also want to mention too that it's not just for knees. You can put it on your arm, you can put it on your shoulder, you could wear this on your elbow, no problem. So multiple use. All right, the control panel. One of the things I like about this is when you put the control panel on, it faces you while you're using it. We have a power button right here, and once you turn it on, it automatically starts up. You just press and hold it. So you can see it has an easy to read screen on here. Let's go through the panel here. So the start button also acts as a timer. You can set it for 30 minutes, 15, or 45, and it just cycles through. This is the mode button. It's got 5 different modes, different pulses and vibrations that you can use. Pick the one you like. And here, the next button over is the intensity of the vibration. You got level 1, level 2, and level 3. So 3 different settings. And the heat button is right here. You've got 4 different temperature settings on here. We've got 95, 113, 122, and 131. And you can actually press and hold this button right here, and it'll change it from Celsius to Fahrenheit. I'm a Fahrenheit guy. It takes a minute for the heat to get going, but once it does, it feels pretty good. And you can feel the vibrations right here on the front of the knee. I mean, you can tighten this up any way you like and get into a position that you want to use it in, and it feels pretty good. So there you go. Wireless rechargeable knee massagers, easy to operate, easy to charge and store away, light enough to take with you to the office, and obviously great to use at home while you're relaxing or watching TV.